Hello, my sweet friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm so excited to talk to you about true culinary treasures. If you look around, you'll see I've collected quite the assortment of All-Clad cookware over the years, nearly 15 pieces, and I just keep adding to my set. But if I had to choose just one all-time favorite, it would absolutely be my All-Clad D3 3-ply stainless steel Dutch oven. I have owned this beautiful, versatile 5.5 quart piece for almost 40 years. Can you believe it? It seems like just yesterday. So my precious family memories are baked right into this pot. From my homemade Sunday spaghetti sauces and bubbling chicken dumpling soups to my hearty beef stews and rich broccoli soups on chilly evenings, it does it all. I love this pot. What makes it so special is the D3 triple ply construction. It has an aluminum core sandwiched between layers of stainless steel that heats evenly without any pesky hot spots. It is light enough so I, as a grandma, can handle it solo, but built sturdy enough to last for decades. It sears beautifully, and that wonderful domed lid really traps all the moisture in it, resulting in the most deeply flavored braises you can imagine. It makes a beautiful braised chicken or braised beef roast. It's delicious. Everything cooks up so awesome in this. And let me tell you, this piece looks and functions just as beautifully today as the very first day I bought it. It's made right here in the USA, and it is going to outlive me, I swear, and I promise. Well, I don't want to promise that, but yeah, it will. It's the ultimate heirloom piece, whether you are simmering on an induction stove or popping it right into the broiler up to about 600 degrees. Tips and tricks for beginners. Now, I know some of you are just starting your culinary journey, so I want to share a few tips I've learned over my years in the kitchen. First, always preheat your pan before adding your cooking oils in. Give it a minute or two over the medium heat, then add your oil. This helps create a natural, wonderful, non-stick surface. Second, always let your stainless steel cool down naturally before washing it with warm water and soapy water. Dropping a hot pan in cool water can warp the metal, and we want to keep these beauties in pristine shape. Finally, if you're looking to start your own collection, the Dutch oven is the absolute best place to begin. It is endlessly versatile, from braising and slow cooking to stewing and browning. These will truly set the standard for your kitchen, and I know you will love just as much as I do. You can find this All-Clad Dutch oven to start your own legacy, along with all my other kitchen favorites, right here on my storefront. Happy cooking, everyone! And a friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.